Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with these two things. I've got some Skiff bearings, I've got some Holt Blade Works Specter right over here, which is just, by the way, ridiculous. And I'm gonna try to install these guys and see if the action improves by any means. As usual, please like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. I mean, it's not that hard, it's not that easy, I know, but at the same time it's not that hard, and it really helps me a lot, knowing more about yourself and trying to get to know what you guys like, if it's something interesting or not. So let me know. I think it's very interesting because you don't really get to see these kind of blades around. I mean, this is a Timask Specter. It's not just like a Specter Prestige, which is, I mean, kind of doable. But there's a Prestige and there's a Prestige, guys. This is Super Prestige. So I'm just kidding. This is an amazing one. Here we go. So T15 for the pivot, T8 for the handle. This guy comes apart like so. So just be careful. Yeah. Definitely nice. Here is the set of bearings that you need to check out if you want the action on your Spectre to change. Here we go. So these guys, you see, can go back. These bearing right over here also can go back in the bag. Here you go. Pretty much that's it. So bearings are in. This guy just wants to escape. This is a pretty cool spacer that goes boom right there. Then we got to lube a little bit, right? These like 3 drops and one right over here for the pivot. Here just a little bit for the detent, and like 3 drops like so for the bearings, and we are all set, guys. Let's see, I'm pretty curious. Also, like, this would be the moment where you would adjust the detent tension right there. I'm not gonna do it because I'm happy with that. I just dialed in separately. Here you go. And here now we can do, you know what? We can do this already. So we lock in place the handle. Just make sure the clip is also in place. There you go. And remove the tension there. So then you can just go with the screw. There you go. If you feel that is a little bit hard, just stop. Never force anything, right? So I'm just gonna go back to try and catch the thread. So probably with that, I think, right? I mean, take your time, because I don't know, maybe it was this one. I mean, shouldn't matter. Well, like this one much more than the other one, which is gonna go here. And we have this going right here in the back. And very gently trying to catch like so. Don't over tighten anything ever. Okay, this looks good. And now just grab the pivot. I'm not using any blue Loctite because they're pretty snug, so actually never experienced you can do it. I mean, not a biggie, but there you go. So let's see. Wow, boys, I think increases they increase the stability. It's wow, feels I don't know, feels sturdier. It is a definite improvement, like 100%. Gorgeous, love it. It's amazing. So there you have it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.